Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Adrienne and today I am doing a collab with J.A Chronicles. They are a young couple who make videos to give you inspiration to cook more for your family, and they post every Friday. We decided to do a slow cooker collaboration, and I have 3 easy, delicious, and budget-friendly meals for you. So please check out J.A.'s channel. I will have their channel linked in my description box below, and I am going to start out my video with cube steak and gravy. You're going to need some cube steak, beef broth, a can of cream of mushroom soup, half a packet of Lipton's onion soup mix, and some ranch seasoning. I'll show you how I put it together. I'm a busy mom, and it's also extremely hot where we live. It was 104 when I made this video, and so this is such a nice way to have a hot meal to put on your family's table that my kids will not like, because my kids are extremely picky and they hated this, in fact, but that's okay. I digress. This is so nice to put in your slow cooker because it doesn't heat up your kitchen. All you do is put all the ingredients in a bowl and you pour it over your cube steak and you set it and forget it, and this was delicious and so easy, and we had enough leftovers for the next day, and I love that. All of my recipes and their instructions will be listed in my description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And don't forget to check out J.A Chronicles. Click on their link and get some good ideas for some dinner inspiration. My next slow cooker meal is French onion chicken. Here is a look at my ingredients. I've got some chicken, garlic, white wine, thyme, onion, all-purpose seasoning, some onion soup mix, and chicken broth. And let me show you how I put this together. After I'm done thinly slicing these onions and putting them in my slow cooker, I'm going to season up my chicken. I'm using some of this butcher seasoning I got at Stater Brothers, and then some ranch seasoning mix, and then I will place that in my slow cooker. After I get my chicken in the slow cooker, I'm going to take the rest of this onion soup mix that I used before in my cube steak and gravy, and I'm going to make the sauce to cook my chicken in. I'm taking that, a 1/4 cup of wine, the onion soup mix, a heaping tablespoon of garlic, and some chicken broth to make 1 cup. I will pour that over my chicken, and then I will add my fresh thyme from my garden, and then I will put the lid on. I will cook it on low for about 4 hours until the internal temperature of the chicken reads 165, and then I will serve it alongside some white rice, and I will sprinkle it with parsley, and this was so good. Kids score, they absolutely hated it. My last recipe is jambalaya. Here is a look at my ingredients. I am going to be using some Cajun style andouille sausage, bell pepper, minced garlic, chicken broth, some pre-cooked chicken, onion, and some crushed tomatoes. What I forgot to put in this is that I'm also going to be chopping up some celery, and then I have a combination of spices of oregano, some cumin, turmeric, and all-purpose seasoning, and then some fresh thyme from my garden and some pre-cooked rice. I'm going to start out by chopping up all of my veggies. I've got the celery, bell pepper, onion, and andouille sausage, and I just chop, 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 and then I get it in my bowl. I will take all of my veggies and my sausage and put it in my slow cooker, plus this 28-ounce can of San Marzano crushed tomatoes, plus 1 cup of chicken stock, and then all of my spices, and then 1 heaping tablespoon of garlic. And then I will put my lid on and cook it on high for about 5 hours. Let everything come together, and then once it's done, I will add 1 cup of white rice that's already been cooked and my shredded chicken, and I will serve it with some green onion and a whole bunch of Tabasco sauce. And this was so good. Kids score it. They absolutely hated it. They didn't go near it. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.